Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the simple steps to change your pronouns on Instagram, making your profile even more personal and inclusive. Whether you're updating your pronouns or adding them for the first time, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date so you have access to all the latest features. Once you're ready, open the Instagram app on your phone. Look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and bio. Next, just below your bio, you'll see the Edit Profile button. Tap on that to open up your profile editing options. Here, you can adjust everything from your name to your website link, but today, we're focusing on pronouns. Scroll down until you find the Pronouns field. Tap on it, and a new screen will pop up. Start typing your pronouns. Instagram lets you add up to 4, so you can choose the ones that best represent you. As you type, suggested pronouns will appear. Simply tap to select the ones you want. If you want, you can also change the language of your pronouns right from this screen. Instagram also gives you control over who can see your pronouns. If you'd like your pronouns to be visible only to your followers, look for the toggle that says Show to Followers Only and switch it on. Otherwise, leave it off to make your pronouns public to everyone who visits your profile. Once you've finished selecting your pronouns, tap Done in the top right corner. Your chosen pronouns will now appear right next to your name on your Instagram profile, helping others know how to refer to you and creating a more welcoming space for everyone. That's all it takes to change your pronouns on Instagram. If you ever want to update them again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, sharing your pronouns is a small action that makes a big difference in building a more inclusive community online.